Hello everyone and good morning. Today we are going to be learning about silent letters. Let's get started.
Hello, it is Chris the Word Whiz, here with my super cool knight armor. Today, we'll learn how to read words with silent letters. Take a look at that word, knight. Do you notice anything strange about it? Usually, we begin figuring out a word by looking at the beginning letter. But that doesn't work here. This word breaks the rules. It is a jail word. Words like this, with a silent letter, are very tricky. Let's look at some more rule breakers. Here are two more words that begin with a silent K. Knock and knob. We do not pronounce the K at the beginning of these words, just like we do not pronounce the K at the beginning of night. These words break the rules, so I'll send them to the word jail too. There are other words that try to trick you too. Check these out. In this word, honest, we do not pronounce the H at the beginning. In the word ghost, the H is not at the beginning of the word, but we still do not pronounce the H sound. Now let's look at some silent B words. The B in both of these words is silent. We do not pronounce it. Thumb, climb. The last silent letter we will look at today is the silent W, like in answer and wrap. Again, these words are tricky. They don't follow the rules because we do not pronounce the W sound in either word. These are jail words too. Okay, are you ready to show what you know about those tricky silent letter words? Look at this word. Can you guess which letter is silent? That's right. The K is silent. This is the word not. Here's another one. Are you ready? Check this word out. Can you guess the silent letter? You bet! That word has a silent B. It is the word comb. One more. Don't get tricked. Can you find the silent letter in this word? Awesome job! There is no fooling you. This is the word right.
So now that we have had a little introduction to today's lesson, from the video, what are the silent words that you saw? Good job! The silent words were H, K, W, and B. What are some words in this video that had silent letters? Yes, night was one of the one of the silent words. What letter in the word night was silent? That's right, the K in the word night was silent. What is another word in the video that had silent letters? Good job. Comb was another word in the video. The letter B at the end of comb is silent. Awesome job. All right, now can you think of any words that might have silent letters in them? What are they? Awesome job, everybody. It looks like you guys pretty much understand. Let's move forward. All right, so Go to your seats, take out your journals, your writing journals. Take out something to write with, and on your open sheet of your clean sheet and your writing journals, title the page Silent Letters K, H, W, and B. I will read a few words out loud, and I want you to write these words the best that you can. Ready? Wrap. Honest. Bomb. Knife. Hour. Right. Thumb. Knee. And crumb. Okay, so now that you have written these words in your journals, I want you to please close your journals and put them on the teacher's desk. Moving forward to the next activity, I will provide you a list of words, and your job is to put them in alphabetical order. You are going to use a dictionary to help you find them and place them in order. You will also use the dictionary to understand the meaning of the words that you do not know. After you have organized the words in alphabetical order, get ready to glue them onto a poster board. You are to do this activity individually, but you may talk with your classmates and discuss the new vocabulary words that you are learning. Okay, now that you have completed this activity, we will close today's lesson with one last activity. You are to complete this cursive practice sheet. After you have completed it, please bring it to me and I will check for understanding that you can write in cursive. After I have revised your cursive practice sheet, you may grab construction paper and something to write with. On the construction paper, you are to write your first name in cursive. When you are finished, please turn it in. Okay, well that sums up everything that we have for today. Good job everybody, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!